Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to hide photo in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to hide photos, so guys you can hide it. And guys, now let's see how to hide photos in Vivo phone. So first of all guys, this is your file. Guys, you have got this Google file, and guys you don't have, so guys go and download it. So guys, now let's say guys how to hide photos. So we will open this file, and guys come in browser. Guys, click on save folder, and guys it's showing guys choose a log. So guys you can choose pin and pattern. So guys, we will take this pin, and guys choose any piece. Example for guys, I am taking this 8, and guys next same, and guys got it. Come back, and guys click on any videos and app images guys you can take. So guys we will take some image to hide photos, and guys after guys you can see this three dot option. So guys click here, and guys you can see move to save folder. So this photo will hide. Then guys confirm you to pin, confirm pin to move. Next, so this photo will hide in your phone. Guys you can see photo has hided, and guys you can check your photo here, save folder, enter your pin, and as you can see we have hided our photos. So I hope friends you have understood how to hide photos in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.